Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Cashapp on Doordash. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head on over to your App Store or your Google Play if you haven't already downloaded or installed Doordash. But if you have, great. If you haven't, you want to go ahead and install and open the app up. Once you're in the app, you want to click on your profile on the top left corner of the screen. From there, you're going to be redirected to all of these different options. You want to hit payment. From payment, you can see all these different options. You want to click on credit or debit card or whatever your preference is, and you want to put in your Cash App information there. And from there, you've successfully added your Cash App on Doordash. And if you encounter any problems, I highly encourage you to reach out to DoorDash's support. And if this video helped you out at all, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and if you have any further questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.